we look at the data from the fatigue test right here, the material shows virtually no degradation after 10,000 cycles. That's the durability we need.
Align the rear section now.
Copy that. Moving into position. Secure the fasteners on my mark.
Precision is paramount in building the F-16. Every detail, every component must meet our unwavering quality standards.
Alignment looks good on the laser guide.
Power wrench engaged. Confirming torque specifications now.
Fasteners are secured.
Verified. Movement is smooth.
The pressure readings are stable across the board. Good.
Let's cycle the hydraulics again and check the alignment.
By optimizing the leading edge extensions, we can significantly reduce drag at transonic speeds, as you can see demonstrated here.
Watch the hydraulic line on the starboard side.
Copy.
Power wrench engaged.
Joe. The F-16's avionics are its nervous system, an intricate ballad of sensors, processors, and displays.
Alignment confirmed on port side.
Roger that. Proceed with locking sequence.
As you can see on the schematic, the primary safety protocol involves the OBIG-JES system, ensuring the fuel.
Okay, the MMFD is locked in.
Cockpit visibility is paramount. The design allows us to track threats seamlessly, which is absolutely critical during high-stakes maneuvers and testing.
The alignment here is critical. Use the laserically positioned before securing them with the power wrench.
Hold the laser steady at grid reference 4.
That's perfect.
Now apply the power wrench, carefully.
We're utilizing advanced waveform diversity here. This allows us to overcome complex jamming techniques while maintaining high-resolution imaging at extreme ranges.
To close versions,
The F-16 engine utilizes a unique axial line. By optimizing the bypass ratio here,
Bring it slightly to the left, slowly now.
Alignment checks out on the main strut.
Torque wrench engaged, green indicator solid.
landing gear cycle complete.
Extension and retraction sequence verified and locked.
The F-16's combat effectiveness is defined by its avionics and payload versatility. This integration
Box 3. Splash the bandit.
Copy that. Missile impact confirmed. Proceed with scenario 6.
Stringent reliability standards and rigorous testing protocols ensure the F-16's unwavering performance. We emphasize the critical importance of each system test.
We've implemented a multi-stage validation process. The data we gather from these simulations ensures the integrity of
The stealth paint application here on the F-16 is flawless. We've optimized the process for efficiency, ensuring the radar.
All systems green. Proceed with the tow at half speed.
I'm seeing some slight wear on the number 3 hydraulic line in Bay 4.
Copy that. Noted on the tablet. We need to schedule a closer inspection.
Our stringent quality standards and meticulous inspection protocols are paramount to ensuring perfection in every single component we produce.
The maiden flight was flawless. The precision of the F-16 at high altitude is simply unmatched by anything else I've flown.
Our combat software is the nervous system of this machine, integrating every sensor and weapon system for unparalleled situational awareness. Pressure is the lifeblood of any hydraulic. We monitor it constant simmer, ensuring that the force is distributed evenly for maximum efficiency and safety.
We've redesigned the stick grip interface to reduce strain, allowing the pilot to focus entirely on the mission data displayed here.
critical precision of the F-16 navigation is paramount. Our systems maintain synchronization within nanoseconds, even under extreme G-force. Our proactive measures ensure the F-16's fire suppression systems are fail-safe, preventing any critical incidents from ever escalating.
Camera mount secured at Point Charlie. Alignment check is green.
The advanced visual systems in the F-16 are critical. We focused on precision during development, ensuring seamless integration of all avionics.
The spike at 400 hertz. It's too close to the resonance frequency.
Agreed. Check the dampening coefficient on the secondary channel.
Mitigating the broadband shock noise requires precise phasing. Our new chevrons optimize the mixing, significantly reducing the perceived decibels.
Protecting these aircraft from electrical threats isn't just about components. It's about engineering a shield of resilience. Every connection...
Initiating pressure check. Holding steady. System integrity confirmed.
While the F-16's oxygen systems are robust, the real focus is the pilot's physiological response under stress, particularly their respiratory metrics.
The analysis confirms our hypothesis. The primary cause of the instability is located right here, within the tertiary servo readings.
Check the fluid levels on the main gear, Charlie.
Looks good, boss. Right at the line.
All right, let's close her up.
Gauge checked, valve adjusted. Reading confirmed and logged.
Just a little more right here.
Yes, that's the mirror finish we need.
Handing over this F-16 is the culmination of months of preparation. My team's commitment to excellence is what made this possible.
This F-16 represents the culmination of countless hours of dedication, precision, and unwavering commitment.